Hello everyone, I'm Martin from Property Partners. Today I'm very excited to show you a two-bedder in Nyon, right in District 15, Katong. It's very nicely inspired by the Peranakan culture. As we enter the house, we are greeted by a foyer area. You can see that the developer has done up a very nice storage spaces here, and owner himself has already done up a very nice space as well, which have plenty of storage room for you to put your stuff. As you enter the entrance, you have an enclosable kitchen over here with a very nice window for ventilation, and all the cabinets have been done up nicely with all good quality furnishing. Welcome to the dining area and the living area, which is integrated seamlessly so that when you host your friends, they can have food and you can have your chit chat over there. There is a very high ceiling of 3.2 meters, right, which is very rare for a two-bedder. And as we walk through here, you can see that the TV cabinets have all been done up. There's very nice feature wall and lots of storage space for you to put your stuff. So let's check out the balcony. You can see there's a very nice sea view over there, and yet we are not too near the ECP, so you are actually shielded by the next development from the dust and the noise. So it's very comfortable, you get a good sea view but not too much noise. And if you check out the tiles here, this is very special because Nyon is actually a Peranakan inspired development, so you get all these very cool Peranakan style tiles over here built by the developers itself. Super sizable common bedroom, you can fit a queen size bed and even a study table. And a full height cabinetry is also done out for you with a very special nice design here. Another unique part about this room is that you get a Jack and Jill door access to the common bathroom. This is the common bathroom, and you can see that the designs are very well thought out by the developer with the Nyonya design inspired theme inside. At the basin and at the wall, you can tell it's a very luxurious product. And one of the other thing is that it has a window for ventilation, which is very rare for most of the two-bedders nowadays. As we enter the master bedroom, we have the master ensuite over here. The design is same as the common bathroom, and similarly, you still do get a window, large window for ventilation, as well as all these grill for privacy purposes. And as we come inside, you can see that the developer has built a full height cabinetry here for you to store your clothes. And this size is just nice for a queen size bed with two side table, or even if you want to fit a king size, no problem at all. Imagine waking up to this view, this amazing sea view every day, and this will make all your efforts of working worth it. Nyon is a freehold project TOP in 2022, right in District 15 in Katong. So right at the doorstep, you have Tanjong Katong MRT, which leads you to the Thomson East Coast Line, and as well, you have a Katong Shopping Centre within 600 meters, as well as good schools like Tanjong Katong Girls' School within 1 km of this development. We have a jacuzzi, we have a lap pool, a clubhouse, and nice shelters like this, all inspired by the Peranakan culture. Keen to see this unit? Contact me, Martin from Property Partners. We will schedule your exclusive viewing today.